Okay guys, our today's topic is about compression of axillary artery. In case of profuse bleeding, we have to compress the axillary artery at different locations. So in diagram you can see the first part of axillary artery, second part and third part of axillary artery. The axillary artery originates at the medial border of sternocleidomastoid muscle. That one is the sternocleidomastoid muscle, and at the lateral border of it gave rise to the three parts: first part, second part and third part. So we have to compress the axillary artery at its origin, at third part medial to the, that one is a medial to the humerus. Okay, so here we have a different locations where we can compress the axillary artery. Okay, axillary artery can be palpated at the lateral end of axilla. Compression of third part of axillary artery can be done against the medial border of humerus in case of profuse bleeding, and it can also be compressed at its origin by exerting pressure downward between clavicle and sternocleidomastoid muscle. Okay guys, let me discuss about another important clinical of axillary artery, that is aneurysm of axillary artery. Aneurysm suggests that enlargement of artery. So here we have the aneurysed artery, that is the axillary artery. Axillary artery is enlarged here. So the first part of axillary artery may be enlarged and compress the trunk of brachial plexus, that is passing through the axilla and arm exactly with the first part of axillary artery. It causes anesthesia in skin, and it is because of the aneurysm of axillary artery is because of rapid and forceful movements. Like we can say it is common in baseball pitchers because of rapid and forceful movement, and it can also be happened in football quarterbackers. So it can also be happened in football quarterbacks and baseball pitchers. So that's all that was our 2 days lecture. So I hope you have enjoyed it and learned from it. So keep watching my videos, stay tuned.